Nano ba buha kabalen ko musakay po. Ako iluwi season. So kami kining Nuan Farm And Resort. Right, ito guys. So binyeta po kaya kami in Villa number 4. Check out our view. Ating yung 2 rooms. Kaya pong first level na is at yung kaya in master bedroom, which is ayan o, ayan yung kailangan eh.
Welcome to Nuan Farm And Resort!
So we were given an access na we are here at Villa
3.
Kasama natin si Ma'am Jessa and magre-raid tayo ng isang wedding yun. So titignan natin sila. Hello! Hello po! Welcome po sa vlog ko. Thank you po. Actually, yung pinifeature namin si Nuan Farm Resort and we are raiding your wedding preparation. Hello! Salamat po. Yes po. O ito, so Kanipin King Nuan Farm Resort. You can rent a villa and do everything here. If it's a wedding, birthday celebration, anniversary, team building, large events din, like for government and even corporate, like ito yung huge team building.
Since we have function halls that can accommodate them, at the same time, yung iba kasi they really require accommodation. So,
Yes.
2-in-1 na talaga.
So usually yun nga, no, dito na mag-event, dito na rin matutulog, magstay, ganyan. Okay, so right now we're going to
Aslag Hall.
Aslag Hall. Okay, so this is the Aslag Hall. Yan, no? So mamaya actually may birthday dito. It's the 7th birthday? I think so. So inaayos nila. Ayan, so it's first birthday celebration and then inaayos nila itong lugar na to. I think based upon the, parang fiesta, no? And then medyo native yung ano natin, stage natin, like siguro bala mo bahay kubo or bala mo antan, banig.
You go sa store.
From Kapas Tarlac. Stig. So from Kapas Tarlac ya pa yung kaya, yan o. Dinala pa nila dito from Kapas Tarlac. Inadagawan nitang kasal na nitang pintalang tamong bride nandin. So they're preparing the place. Ayan o. Actually pwede tayong makipangan kayo ni Pota kasi in-invite na katamo wari. Anyway, so this is the place, ayan. So, siguro this can accommodate up until 250 persons, siguro. Very elegant. Bakit? Kasi it has a high ceiling, ating chandelier, elevated stage, and red carpet. So, ini yung pinakabayudang villa, which is named Villa 5. The unit has 2 bedrooms. Kitang lola. Ay, isa. And then, atin yung loft type kayo na bedrooms. The place is actually huge. It can accommodate up until 26 persons, mga yan. Pinta yung pinakakain na, itang pinaka-comfortable, mga yan, na ligo. Yung siksikan, mga yan. Actually, ito rin yung advice do, para enjoy mo talaga yung lugar. Dapat itapin capacity na ng unit. Ito talaga rin mag-check-in, mga yan. Yung theme na is Achuka King Nature, Jungle, look at the murals, mga yan. Kaya ba't kitang luwal? Atin yung sarili ng pool. Kaya ba't kitang luwal mo naman? Karin may access itang master bedroom. Kaya ba't atin lang another room which is Balamu dorm type po. Is that what you call it? Balamu dorm type kitang kaya na ito. Very suitable ya po karing family celebration, an intimate family celebration, or even a family weekend getaway, mga yan. So bring your Balamu barbecue thing yan, mga yan.
As you can see, wala silang dining, wala silang kitchen. Itong mga naunang mga room.
Okay.
Pero, say for instance, deluxe one, ito yung personal area niya. Itong long table na ito, and then that one. Tapos family room, that one, kasi good for 10 to 16 persons. So, itong area to. And then the deluxe room, yung mga tables and chairs. Ngayon, ang kagandahan kasi dito, sir, some of our clients, kinukuha nila itong buong ito.
Yes.
Para ma-solo nila ito, itong buong area.